हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल लॉ माइंड्स। आज हम लॉ माइंड्स की इस वीडियो में शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं एक ऐसी सीरीज की जो अक्सर लॉ स्टूडेंट्स का डाउट रहता है। मैम, क्या हमें पेड इंटर्नशिप मिल जाएगी? क्या गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मिल जाएगी? कहाँ पे मिलेगी और कैसे अप्लाई करना है? तो कुछ गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और कुछ प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो की लेकर आई है पेड इंटर्नशिप, हम आपको उसके बारे में बताते हैं और कैसे कैसे अप्लाई करना है। तो उसके लिए आपको जाना पड़ेगा लॉ माइंड्स की वेबसाइट पर, उसके बाद करियर पर। ओके, तो अभी जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं प्रोजेक्ट 39A इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी बाय एनएलयू दिल्ली, स्टाइपेंड ₹10K, part time is also allowed. Last date to apply is 15 June. Today is 7 June, so just be updated. We will finish this internship in this first session. Okay, and rest of all are others private. You can search through our website. Okay, so what is this internship? This internship is basically a research internship. Okay, you have to research on various topic. The project 39A, what is project 39A? It is actually inspired by the article 39A of the Indian Constitution. Okay, so to examine this is an internship. See, if you do this internship, if you apply and you get selected, this is a very good internship for your future, and you will get a lot of opportunities and lot of things in this internship to learn, and this will help you further in gaining the job. Okay, so the internship will be they will accept the internship from March to March 2025. Okay, the internship is a research internship. See, many students have interest in forensic science. They can go legal aid, criminal, mental health and criminal justice, torture, administration of the death penalty, litigation, pro bono cases in which there is no, you are not a party, still you are fighting for that case because it is good for public. That is pro bono case. So you can also learn these things. Research and litigation, both skills will be developed in this internship. Students in this country and also in other countries available है law, humanity, social science, management or media or communication. Those who have enrolled in this courses can apply for this internship. Okay, now what are the responsibilities will be in this internship? Candidates will be asked to undertake tasks that may involve assisting with litigation activities, research projects, or initiative in public outreach. While the organization shall attempt to account for the interest expressed by the interns, it reserves the right to allocate tasks as it deems fit as per their requirement. They will see that what are your interests, but as per their requirement they will give you the task. Okay, all the members of project 39A undertake administrative duties, and therefore interns will also be expected to assist in administrative matter. See, this internship is very important because this is by National Law University Delhi. So the certificate of this will be very good in your CV. Okay. Now, duration for how much? This internship will be from 4 weeks to maximum 12 weeks. Means from 1 month to maximum 3 months. Okay. Part time, if anyone had don't full time, they can apply for part time internship. Okay. So if you are selected for part time, you are required to minimum work for 12 weeks. Okay. And you have to mention the exact dates in which you are will do the internship. Okay, the internship will be offline only. You have to be in their campus, NLU Delhi, sector 14, Dwarka. Okay, full-time interns will be paid 10,000, and the part-time interns will be paid only 5,000. The last date of application is 15 June, so just be aware. Okay, So it is also that you should at least apply before 6 weeks. For example, if you want to start your internship from 1st of August, so you should apply before 15 June. Okay. So 6 week is a minimum duration to apply for the internship, and 15 June is the last day. Now we will see what is the application procedure for this internship. We all this done these things. Yeah. You have to fill out this form. You have to fill your name, last name, email address, phone number, your field of study. If any other field rather than this, then fill it here. Course of study, what is your course? Okay, if any other, just write it here. Name of the university. Current year, what is your current year? Okay, like second, don't write semester, only year here it is required. Next, current semester, or in sub college there is trimester, you can write that. How many number of year, either your courses of 3 years or 5 years. Okay, internship duration details. Minimum internship is for 4 weeks and maximum is 12 weeks. You cannot leave the internship before the completion of 4 weeks, and you cannot do more than for 12 weeks. Okay. Now, whether you want to do part-time or full-time. Okay, you have to select if you want to do full-time. Full-time. In which month you want. So apply for August because 6 weeks duration is required. Okay. And you can select August date as per your choice. For example, 15. Okay, and you want to do for 1 month. So 15 September. Okay. I'm just taking a date, just count it before applying. Area of interest, what is death penalty, mental health? Just choose one. Okay. If anyone have interest in forensic science, they can choose it. Okay. Now, the CV. Okay, it is very important when you are applying for any internship. Okay, we'll fill out one by one each and everything. Okay, education details. Now, how will you fill it? This includes CGPA if you have seen a start from 10th result, 12th result. Then if you have done any 3 year course before LLB, then enter that. If you are doing a 5 year course, just enter BE LLB. Then enter your last semester results. Mention your last semester particularly. Okay, just mention that. For example, you have to write that 10th, then year, your year of study, your year of passing out, and then your percentage. Okay, okay, with percentage. See, everything has a format, so you have to follow. Then 12th, you have to also mention CBSE board. I forget. You have to also mention this. Don't forget, this is the standard criteria. Okay, 2016. And what is your percentage? Just add that. Okay. Then if you have done any 3 year course before BLLB or before, sorry, LLB, just enter that BA honor history, any course. I'm just writing university and then marks. Okay. Or if you're doing BA LLB, then enter 5 year course. It is not done right now. Just enter university, any university. Okay, just enter then your percentage of last semester by mentioning, maybe you are in third semester, last semester is your third, so mention like that, third semester, then your percentage. Okay, like this you have to enter. Now, professional work experience. Okay, don't mention, please. I request you, please don't mention unnecessary experience, unnecessary online internship. See, online internships are not countable unless you have done it in Corona period. Okay, now all things are working. So if you are mentioning just online intern, it will not create a good impact on your okay, on your application. Just mention good internship, and that internship that matches their criteria, that matches their requirement, that research and litigation that matches. Okay, just enter. If you have done any internship with DALSA, just enter that. It will be very good for. Okay. Litigation, if you have done internships in court, just mention that. Just your internship should be related to this topics only, and research and litigation. Otherwise, they will not consider them that internships. Okay. It is not only filling the things, because filling the things in correct manner is required. Like smart work is required, not laborious work. Okay. Now, if you have any publication, see, many times I told in my webinars, in all the things, that please have your research paper or article published, because this creates a very good impact of you, because you have an image other than on your college, on any other online platform, or e-journal. Okay, so just have a your article or research paper, two article or two research paper published. Otherwise, you will not able to get internship in anywhere in good organization. You will not be able to get any internship. Long minds, we have also launched our research paper publication at very low cost, just for the maintenance of our website. We are soon going to launch our e-journal. So for that e-journal, we are organize this event, call for papers. You can go through it. See, our charges for very less. If you go to any other e-journal, the research paper publication fees is itself 2000. It is 500, article 300, short article 200, case commentary 100. If your anything is not published yet, please come to us. We will publish it, and it on urgent basis. Okay, but just get it. Okay, you can go through it on our website. Okay. Now, co-curricular activities, any moot court competition, article writing competition, anything. See, participation is not a good thing. Only participation is not a. If you haven't achieved anything in that, that will not be a good part of your CV or anything. So, if you have participated, say many students just come for the sake of participation certificates. Now, see, any here, if you see any requirement for participation certificate, no, na. That's why it is not required. Participate and win. Okay, or any other relevant information that you think that is relevant for the internship, that they will consider, you can enter it. Now, statement of purpose. Okay, that why do you want to do this internship? Now, this should be written very clearly. Okay, and your statement of purpose should be with the purpose of internship, that this internship will help me reach my goals. The work in this internship, like for a forensic science, I want to develop my career in forensic science, so if this internship will help me, or I want to be a good researcher, so this, so like that you have to then just add a one or two experience that you have in that field. Just enter that and write it in very simple language, as simple as you can. Okay, don't use ChatGPT, because the HR who is going to recruit you is more smarter than you. Okay, so just don't go with that thing. If you have anything, if you want any help further regarding the statement of purpose, my number is available in the description. You can ping me on WhatsApp, ma'am, that how to write statement of purpose. Okay. Okay, this is the note. Then you have to click on this button, submit. I have not filled it, is that why it's done. Okay.